I taught Cal too.
I think she knows the way to get over here. Randy. Yes, because she's looking to come over here. Randy. Randy! She's coming around. Randy! Randall! Now what are you going to do? Here she comes.